It's a topic that evokes strong emotions and opinions. In fact, it can be a taboo to talk about it at a dinner table. But one thing we can all agree on is that money affects us in various ways in our daily lives. At least, we all need money to pay our bills. As a matter of fact, there is an increasing number of people looking to achieve financial stability and security. Although, there is an abundance of financial information out there, from countless books, articles, and videos. However, many people often make simple mistakes that prevent them from reaching their financial goals. In this video, I'll tell you 4 money rules that are often overlooked but the rich don't take for granted. By following these rules, you're taking control of your life and setting yourself up for a bright financial future. If you're ready, let's begin. 1. Always increase your human capital. The first money rule the rich don't take for granted is the importance of increasing their human capital. Human capital refers to the knowledge, skills, and experience you've acquired over your lifetime. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become in the marketplace and the more money you can earn. Whether it's through education, training, or simply learning new skills, the rich understand that developing themselves is an ongoing process. They're always looking for ways to improve and grow so they can stay ahead of the curve and continue to make more money. 2. Never let money steal your freedom. One of the biggest mistakes people make with money is allowing it to control their lives. High interest rate debts can quickly become a burden and limit your financial freedom. This might delay or even prevent you from reaching your financial goals. The rich, on the other hand, never let money steal their freedom. They understand the importance of keeping their debts under control and making sure that their money is working for them, not the other way around. Through budgeting, smart investments, or simply avoiding unnecessary expenses, rich people keep their finances in check so they always have the freedom to chase their dreams. 3. Make buying assets a habit. Another key money rule the rich don't take for granted is the importance of buying assets, not liabilities. A liability is something that costs you money, such as a car loan payment or a financed TV. An asset, on the other hand, is something that generates income, such as rental properties, stocks, or businesses. The rich understand that by investing in assets, they are creating a passive income stream that will help them reach their financial goals. By making buying assets a habit, they are constantly building their wealth so they can enjoy a comfortable retirement and live the life they've always wanted. 4. Invest your time wisely. Time is our most valuable asset, and the rich understand that it's crucial to invest it wisely. When it comes to reaching their financial goals, they understand that spending time on things that won't move them closer to these goals is a waste. So instead, they focus on activities that will help them make their financial dreams a reality. Whether it's reading, networking, or working on their businesses, rich people make the most of every moment so they can achieve their goals as quickly as possible. By investing their time wisely, they're always making progress and getting closer to the financial future they desire. Unfortunately, these 4 money rules are often overlooked when in reality, they are foundational to building wealth and financial stability. Rich people understand the importance of increasing their human capital, avoiding high interest rate debts, buying assets, and investing their time wisely. By following these simple rules, you too can achieve financial success and create the life you've always wanted. Remember, wealth and financial freedom are not just about making money, but about making smart decisions with your money and time. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.